This word is commonly pronounced castle, but the right to pronounce this word is. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 10 words that you are probably mispronouncing and the right to pronounce them. And you know how I'll do on commonly mispronounced words. I'll also be giving us a word of the day. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you are seeing this face, hi love, please don't make it your last, okay? My name is Josephine Alagba. I make tutorial videos like this one, tutorial videos also. I make interesting lifestyle vlogs and other amazing things on my channel. So if you're interested in any of these, do well to join the family, turn on your notification. And yeah, with that, let's get right into the video. Now the first word in my list is C-A-C-H-E. This word is commonly pronounced catch or cache. You might be tempted to call it cache because of the E, but the right to pronounce this word is cash, cash, cash. Now let's go to our second word. Now, few days back, Manchester United had a match with one other club that I don't really remember. The reason why I have this in mind is because people kept on talking Ronaldo and all that. Anyways, this word is commonly pronounced mash. Some people call it mash, even though you are not one of those people. But the right to pronounce this word is march, march, march. Okay? Now to our third word. When you say someone is scared of doing something, you say the person is a what? This brings us to our next word. This word is commonly pronounced coward, coward. But the right to pronounce this word is coward, coward, coward. Okay, the W in that word is silent, so it's just coward, 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 coward. Okay, and not coward. You get? All right, so our next word. This word is a very common word, and I'm sure that we use this word almost every day. Now, this word is commonly pronounced axe. Let me ask her a question. But the right to pronounce this word is ask, ask, ask. You're probably wondering what's the difference. Now, ask, ask. Let me ask her a question. Ask, ask. The other one is ask, ask, ask. The difference is we are using a K in the first word, which is the wrong pronunciation, and then the right pronunciation is actually S. Okay? Ask, 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 ask. You get? Alright, let's go to our next word. Now, there are some English words that have silent letters. Now, this next word has a silent letter. Now, can you tell which letter in this word is silent? Okay, this word is commonly pronounced often, often, but the right to pronounce this word is often, often, often. The T in this word is silent. Now to our next word. Talking about silent letters in words, our next word also has a silent letter. Can you tell which letter is silent in this word? Okay, this word is commonly pronounced subtle, subtle, but the right to pronounce this word is subtle, subtle, subtle. The B in this word is silent. Now, I've shared 2 words that have silent letters in them. Before we go to our next word, let me share our word of the day. Our word of the day is D-O-F-F. It is pronounced doff. It means to take off or remove a hat or a piece of clothing. The second meaning is to rid oneself off, that is, put aside. Now that I've shared our word of the day, let's go back to our words. This next word also has a silent letter in it. This word is commonly pronounced crumb, but the right to pronounce this word is crumb, crumb, crumb. I'm sure you already know which letter is silent. The B in this word is silent. Now let's go to our next word. Now our next word comes to play when you're describing a very big house that kings, that suits royalty, where kings and queens usually stay. Don't worry, it's not a palace, okay? Now this word is commonly pronounced castle, but the right to pronounce this word is castle, castle, castle. From the pronunciation, you will know that this word also has a silent letter, and the silent letter in this word is T. So it's not castle, it is castle, castle, castle. Okay? I talked about a match between Man U and one other club. Now this brings me to our next word. This word is commonly pronounced wash by some people. If you're one of those that do not pronounce this word wash, it's completely fine, okay? Kudos to you. But the right to pronounce this word is watch, watch, watch. You need to ch that sound there. It's not sh, it's not wash, okay? It's watch, watch, watch. Alright, so those are the 10 words I have for you on today's video and our word of the day. I do hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please do also give it a big thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend the video to other people. Drop a comment in the comment section and hit the subscribe button if you haven't, to join the family, and turn on your notification, okay? With that, I'll say don't forget to laugh hard and love more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.